We just have installed Ubuntu 20.04 OS in our computer, and according to the syllabus of MSc third semester, we have computational courses, and in the computational courses we need Fortran programming, Fortran language. We need to install gFortran compiler, Xmgrace and gNuplot. In this video, I am going to show how to install these three components required for our course. So first of all, what we do is we just open the terminal. In the terminal, we can type in our commands and install the programs through command lining. Just press Ctrl-Alt-T in the keyboard, or just go to applications, all applications, and just search for terminal, and we can open the terminal. After opening the terminal, just to know where we are, just type in pwd and press enter, and it displays the present working directory. Now what we do is just type in gFortran and press enter. It's not installed in our system according to the display shown above, so we need to just install it. We type in the command sudo apt install gFortran and press enter. After typing these commands and pressing enter, certain command lines are shown, and it asks for confirmation on the usage of disk space. Certain space is going to be used, and it just asks for confirmation. Just press Y for yes and enter. Then the program starts to get installed, and after completion of install, we can go for next two programs. We have just installed gFortran in our system, and after the completion of gFortran in our system, we just want to make the confirmation if there is gNuplot or Xmgrace installed. We just type in Xmgrace and just check it. It shows the confirmation that Xmgrace is not installed in our system. So we just type in the commands which is shown above and just press enter. After a little bit of command linings, it just asks for the confirmation yes or no. It shows the disk space usage. Just press in Y for yes, and the installation process starts. Finally, when the installation process is completed, we can go for the next installation of gNuplot. Just type in gNuplot and press enter, and it shows some commands. Just type in sudo apt install gNuplot and press enter. In the similar manner as shown previously for Xmgrace, just certain command linings are shown, and it asks for confirmation yes or no. Just press in Y for yes and enter. Then the installation process starts, and taking a certain interval of time, the installation process is completed. So we have gNuplot, Xmgrace and gFortran installed in our system. Just to make a confirmation, type in Xmgrace and press enter. We get a pretty nice window of Xmgrace where we can make our graphs. Similarly, type in the command gNuplot and press enter. We can get the gNuplot window where we can type in our commands and get a nice graph displayed. And similarly, we have gFortran compiler installed in our Ubuntu operating system, with the help of which we can create Fortran programs and see our results. Thanks for watching. In this video, I showed you how to install gFortran, Xmgrace and Gnuplot, which are required for our computational course. In the next video, I will come up with the ideas on how to write simple programs and compile them.